Camera, give it to Anita too.
I already did.
Thank you.
Do you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Okay, go to Pudding.
Emerald,
Yes.
I don't know, for some reason I can't submit my assignment. My Canvas won't allow me to submit my assignment.
Really?
Yes, and I tried doing it with my group, but we couldn't.
Okay, we'll see that later.
Okay.
You'll share your screen as well. Okay, exit from SQL and TNS ping both databases. So TNS ping, TLS DMO, and then ORCL. Right there. Failed to resolve name. So clearly the listener isn't listening to TLS demo. Now TNS ping ORCL. I thought you said that you tried TNS ping and it worked. TNS ping ORCL. So it's listening to ORCL. So you need to fix TLS demo. Go to your TNS name.ora.
Because
yes,
before everything was the same. It was maybe TLS demo. It looked like this one, but at the connect, I tried to connect. That's why okay. When I come here, everything is the same.
Okay, that's the problem right here. I told you guys you cannot put space between the database name and the first line. There's space between TLS demo and remove that space.
I know here, I'm so sorry.
Remove that space.
Where?
Between TLS demo and the first line. That's the problem. Remove that space.
Here?
Yes. No. On the the first line.
The first line?
Yes. We talked about that already. You shouldn't have space between. Okay. Save it. The problem is fixed. Now you can go back and TNS ping and you'll see that it works now. TNS ping, TLS demo. You see?
Okay, no, thank you. Appreciate it.
So that was the problem. Koji, you can share your screen.
Okay.
You claim you can submit. Let's see that.
You said I should share my screen?
Koji, he said he cannot submit his assignments, right?
Yes. That's my screen.
Okay, assignments.
Let me go to assignment. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, go to submit assignment.
And that's it. This I'm expecting this place to disappear, but we just stay like that.
Did you click on submit assignment?
Yes, I'm clicking.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Click on the yeah.
Right here?
On the class, yeah.
That's it.
Nothing?
Mm-hmm.
You refresh now. See.
Okay. Now that's odd. That's odd. That's definitely odd.
Yeah,
I'm
we
going to
tried.
request
We tried
remote
to do so.
control.
We tried to resolve that yesterday, but it wasn't working. We did everything.
I think you might really want to ask Prof. Maybe it's okay. I'm asking for
Yeah, I've approved it.
okay.
Emerald,
It won't open.
Emerald,
Yes.
it's giving me the same problem. I don't think so. It was this problem. It gives me the same problem, the same issue.
You can submit. You might need to ask to see Prof for that. I think it has to do.
Okay, no problem.
That's right. So,
The rest of my stuff, they are good.
for the other ones, it's
Yeah,
only
I
for
also
assignments that it does that.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Maybe there is a glitch somewhere. But you can submit that one. You can still submit the assignment using other ones though.
The other ones?
Yeah, you just specify it's assignment 3.
So how would I send it?
You use the other one, like you can use assignment 4 or
None of them.
assignment.
None of them allow me to do it. None of it.
I thought you said assignment 2 was doing that.
No, I'm saying like my note and my assignment, like my note and everything, they are good. But when the option is not going through.
Okay. No, you might want to see Prof for that.
Okay, cool.
need to unshare before I can share. Amirod, I would like to share my screen so that you see my problem too.
Okay, what's your problem?
Each time I open my database, I want to go to my SQL. It keeps asking me for username. It tells me I have insufficient privileges. I don't know why.
That's because you have insufficient privilege, right?
Yeah, I don't know why, because it has never asked me that question before.
Okay, share your screen.
All right. Can you see it now? And I have to log on as system before I'll be able to connect. Other than that, I won't be able to go to SQL. I don't know why.
Exit. Just enter SQL plus space /sysdba instead of exclamation mark.
That's the same thing too.
Okay, let's see.
Something amount.
Okay, it looks like you cannot connect as sys.
Yeah, exactly.
When did it start happening?
This weekend.
What were you doing?
I was having a problem with my client connection. I tried working on it. I just said, okay, let me just delete everything and re-establish them again. I think since then I was having this problem.
I think you deleted something. Did you delete your password file? Maybe?
I can't remember deleting any password.
Password file. You deleted something definitely because you cannot connect as sys directly. Try to enter sys and the password don't take one. Yes.
I think I said the same problem. I think U01, I think is full. He need to go to the Oracle, delete some file of there or some directory of there is going to be open because I got this.
Yes, but he can connect our system.
Yes,
Okay.
I got this.
First enter sys and we'll check if your user one is full.
I can't connect to 6.
What Fali is saying is quite different.
I said it's go to.
Did you enter sys and you see he can? Okay, exit. There has to be a reason for that.
Because if it's put like a system, Brontex 01, I think it's go connect, but you cannot shut down the database.
I'm so excited to
Try to check your space, df minus h.
No.
Sorry, you said what?
Wait, March?
df minus h.
March, April, May, June. Wait, no. May.
I should enter?
Yes. I don't think that's the problem. No, that's not the problem. It looks like you revoke some privileges or you remove your password file. This is what I think. You either you remove your password file or you
He probably removed his password file.
I think you remove your password file. Can you go check your password for your Oracle Home/DBS? Go check it there.
Oracle Home/DBS.
Yeah, where your P file and SP file are, right? And your password file.
No, I'm gonna tell you.
Is it here?
Okay, which database were you trying to connect to? Was it TLSDMO or ORCL?
All of them. Anyone I try to enter, it gives me the same problem.
Okay.
Lord, I also noticed like one, like at the top, like where he logged in, where you see the Oracle _SID. By default, it points to DB11G, but he says the wrong database.
Where?
Like where he's changed the environment.
Where? I'm not seeing it.
Like the where he says .ora env, the Oracle _SID. Usually, like by default, when you log in,
No,
it usually
no.
points to.
Yeah, some people put it like that in
It has
their.
always been like this. My default has always been this.
In their, yeah, he must
Okay.
have put it in his bash profile.
Okay.
No, can he try to connect to the user? He try to connect to database. He's going to give him this arrow, like connect to give it to the name the user and the password. Maybe put the system password Brontex1. He go connect.
No, he can connect as system, but he cannot connect as sysdba. That's the thing.
I got the same problem today.
Are you sure it was the same problem? Because you just said that you had the same problem, or someone of your classmates had the same problem, but it wasn't.
If you go to do my my student, you go see, I got this problem this morning. I was trying to resolve this problem this morning.
Anyway, try to connect, use SQL Plus for that specific database, right? Use SQL Plus and connect as sys/runtech1 and then space as sysdba. SQL Plus, sys, no, sys, no.
Slash what? Okay, sorry.
Sys, no. Remove the SQL Plus, sys/runtech1 as sysdba. SQL Plus space sys slash runtech1
Okay.
space as sysdba. You see, so it has to do with your password file. Now you can connect.
So how do I resolve my password file?
You create one, or you remove the ones you have. I don't know what you did exactly. That's why it's good. Like when you manipulate your database, you actually know what you're doing, even though you're not sure, at least so that you can know how to fix it. Because something happened with your password file, definitely. Because that slash, right? That slash, when you use SQL Plus slash that slash means connect as sys, password runtech1 and then as sysdba. But if the information that you have in your password file are wrong, you wouldn't be able to connect. You see? Anyway, I will show you guys how to create a password file. We'll work on that.
All right.
Anyone did the assignment?
The assignment was really hard. Question 4, question 8. Oof.
Okay. Any volunteer? Okay. First, let's start with. I'm going to share my screen. Wait, why am I sharing my screen? I wanted to show you something first. I'm going to show you guys something. Okay, let me just share my screen. Can you guys see my screen? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Okay, sorry. Okay. User managed password. Okay. So you guys want to start with, okay, today we will be doing all the assignment. And next class we'll be doing the last one. We will finish with SQL fundamental. Assignment. Sorry, it's kind of slow. So we'll be doing next class we'll be doing that one, chapter 4. Assignment 4. Yeah, chapter 4 too. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, chapter 4. And chapter 4, and we'll be done with it. So on Monday, we'll be doing user managed backups. And I noticed that many people did not finish the assignment, or some people even actually only stop at question 2. But I'm hoping that at the very least, you are able to do that one, because that one was very easy, right? Compared to the ones that you guys had to do. So I need a volunteer who did question 1 and question 2 for assignment 3. So one will volunteer for that one, and then another one will volunteer from question 1 to 4, and then another one from question 4 to 9. And then we'll stop at question 9 today, so that you guys can go back and try to figure out this right SQL statement for the last 2 questions. So I will need someone who already did that, right? I don't want someone to come and struggle doing it. I need someone who already did that one. But for the other one, for the other assignment, you don't have to have done it. But that one, I'm expecting everyone to know how to do it, like even in their sleep, for these 2. Because these are very basic update statements. So who wants to do it? Or should I pick someone? I saw you guys share scripts in your groups. Now nobody can do it. Oh, wow. Okay, let me pick someone then. Bryant, did you do it? I'm sure you did. Is Brian here? Bryant, you're connected.
Brian from Lana Solution Center.
Yes, I know you can do it.
Yeah.
I know.
No, I know you can do it. I know you can do that one. So you're going to share your screen.
Bello was
and
our
do it.
boss for yesterday. Bello.
No, she's talking about the one. No, she's talking about the one she sent yesterday.
I'm talking about these 2. These ones are actually
Oh, you mean these 2?
Yeah, only these 2.
Bello, take charge. You were our boss yesterday.
She said, Brian.
They call on Bello. I don't suffer.
Guys, really, these 2 update. Come on.
Yeah, Amara.
Yeah. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. You can share your screen.
1 minute, please. Let me set up my connect.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me set up. Share screen. Amara, can you see me?
Yes. Okay, can you bring up your assignment 1 and 2, assignment 3, so you can read it and do it at the same time, and also open a notepad so that you can write the SQL statement.
Okay. Hmm. So on the assignment, the first assignment is said in TLS DMO, update all the last name in the employee table to Brontech in.
Right.
So
Right.
I'm connecting as TLS DMO. First of
Okay.
all, I want to alter all the HR table.
You want to alter? You want to
I want to
introduce?
open, I want to unlock the HR table.
Okay. You need to do, okay.
Oh,
You want to unlock the table? Are the table locked?
No, I just thought like anytime we're dealing with the HR table, it's always good to unlock.
You're updating the employees table, not the HR employees.
Oh, sorry.
I don't think they are the users are locked. So you can just go straight to the DML.
So we need
What
to
DML will you use?
Connect as demo.
Connect as demo.
Okay. What DML will you use?
Update.
Update employee. We want to update the employee table.
Right. Open a new blank notepad, not that one.
Okay. But this one doesn't.
Natu, please mute yourself.
So let me just put
update typo.
my bad.
I think it only says Brontech 1, Brontech, not Brontech 1.
Oh. So we want to update the employee table and in demo, and we want to set all the last name to be Brontech 1.
Brontech, right.
So let's view out to see if our update works. Let me just type it here, select.
Why do you have 428 rows?
Oh, because I already did that. I think when I was I think when
Maybe the duplication.
I was duplicating, I duplicate twice. I think so.
Okay, so you duplicate it clearly twice. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I think
Okay, go ahead. It's fine. So it's just the same SQL statement and update employee. So just select last underscore name. You don't need to select
okay.
all, just select last underscore name
Okay.
from employees. From employees. Okay. So you're good. Now the other ones, connect as dev, quat, and prod.
Okay. So we do the same for dev. We want to update all the last, all the employees, the last underscore name to Brontech. So we do that for dev too. So we want to view it if it works. So we are in assignment 2. And in assignment 2, it's also say like in TLS DMO update department underscore name, manufacturing and construction to school in the department table.
All right.
Demo and demo dev quad and prod. So we need to connect as demo. Let me just go down.
And that's okay. Update the table, specify the table, update employees, set department underscore name. Typos. Employees. You put employers.
Cool.
Yes. Where? You want to use the where clause? Where department underscore name.
Department underscore name 180.
Wait, are we updating the employees or the departments table?
We are changing the department name. We're updating the department name.
But we are working
Or
in the department table, not in the
Yeah, not in employees table.
It's department, or it's department table.
Yeah.
So at the beginning of your SQL is gonna be
Yeah. Can you make your notepad screen a bit bigger? Thank you. So yeah, the table is departments.
So it was supposed to be like department.
Yeah, department. No.
Department.
Don't remove that. Just replace employees by department, the right table.
No.
Update department, set department underscore name.
Okay.
No,
You have the update already.
So departments with a S, set. Okay, department underscore name equals school.
Where department ID. So let me just check the department ID.
Wait, where did where did
You don't need to put department ID. You can just stick to department name because you already know the name of the department you want to change.
Yeah, okay. So am I good to enter department name on the department? Department?
Where department underscore name equals. So you put the name of the department is construction.
Okay, okay.
You can use in as well. If you wanted to use in, you can use in.
You can use either the department name.
You can use in. You can use like. You can use different. There's
I can just use. I was
or.
If you want to use in, use in. If you're comfortable with in, use that.
Comma.
Why are you putting department name and you put in 180?
Put the name of the value, construction, and the other one.
So I should not use the.
Well, I use by the name. If you want to use the name, just use the name because it's a department name. So
let me just make it big a little bit.
Manufacturing and construction.
Okay, in manufacturing and construction.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You don't need brackets?
I'll put a bracket.
It does. No. What? No. What are you doing? Put the strings, single strings, and comma between both.
Inside.
No,
yeah,
put the string between both and remove the end.
Okay.
Put comma.
I don't think that one said using one SQL statement, right? No. So you could have done it different. You could have put department name equals and do it twice. You didn't need to do it in one SQL statement.
So if we use the ID, it's not gonna go because.
No, it will go. It will go, but you don't really need to. I mean, it takes more time.
Anita, am I good?
Yeah, you need your semicolon.
Okay. Thank you. I think I need. So I want to connect as demo.
You need to see the table first to see if you have construction and manufacturer.
All those things doesn't really matter.
How are you doing something that you don't see?
It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
You can just select department underscore name
Names.
from department. No. Oh, Jesus. No. You select department underscore name from departments.
Select.
The Emma, she can see you select all from department, right?
Yeah, you can do that too.
I'm sure that's what they wanted to do.
And he did select all from department underscore name.
Select department.
Department
Select
underscore
department
name.
underscore name.
From department. Select department underscore name from department.
Okay.
We have the
You
constraint.
already have it.
Yeah. Natu,
Yes.
are we okay?
How many do you have?
You check that one, check them both. Check two.
Wait,
Check
are we not
manufacturing.
supposed to see?
It's good
Okay,
to know because
okay.
when it's gonna update, you have to know the number that it updates, and you have to update.
It won't update anything here because he already did it. But just do it. This is the sequence. This is one of the sequences.
So, Emerald, why is it showing 0 update?
You see, Emerald, he doesn't know that you already have it.
Because you already updated it. You already did the assignment.
Do you see why it's good? Why it's good to show the table now? You already did the assignment. The school is already there.
So, for people who do not do it, you have to take this. So the next one, we still have to connect as.
Bello, you see that I was right now, Bello.
Well, it's the same thing. You did it for all, so I'm not sure.
No, I know. I'm just like Emerald said. You need to show the class to others. Maybe some people are there who do not do it. So we need, after we have done with the demo, we need to connect as dev and also run the same SQL statement.
Right.
So Emerald, do you want me to connect as dev and do that? Or?
Yeah, do everything.
We got time.
So it shows 0.
0 row. That because you already did it, but that's good. You can use that SQL statement definitely.
So now we want to connect as quad / quad.
Or you can select all from that table, and then instead of construction and manufacturing, you can put something else so that people see that it actually would actually go through. So instead of select department underscore name from that table. Department underscore name.
Department.
From department. Oh, I'm connected as no.
Departments with the S is the name of the table.
So Emerald, I can use like, let me see what I can use from the table. Should I take the treasury?
Yeah.
I use the treasury and the finance. So
Okay.
Yeah.
It's case sensitive.
Okay.
Treasury.
She says case sensitive, so if you want it to blend in,
It's not word spelled.
you have to write in small letters.
Let him do it like that so we can see. Okay, put treasury and then accounting.
Finance or accounting? Which of them?
Whichever.
Anyway.
So class, we just change the construction and the manufacturing from department underscore name. So we are using the treasury and the accounting. So we want to do an update in the treasury and accounting. So I'm gonna and
stop.
Yeah. Why is zero row now, Emerald?
It's 0 row because it's case sensitive.
Oh.
So you make sure that the way treasury is written there is exactly the same that you have. So if T is uppercase, you put T uppercase, E lowercase, put E lowercase. Okay. You can just copy from Putty and paste it there.
Wait, is that what he did for the manufacturing and construction?
No, for the other one is because he already had school, so he didn't have any
issue. Okay.
Yes.
The treasury is still not gonna go.
Yeah, that's why he should just copy and paste it. Okay.
You didn't explain this time. Explain now.
Emerald, Natu, what's the problem? I'm talking to Natu. Natu.
I said you should explain again now.
Natu, row updated.
Good, that's very good.
So I want to connect now as prod and do the update in prod.
Okay. Ah, I see why you guys use department ID, because it was easier than using the department name because it was case sensitive.
Oh.
Because the morning class did the same thing as you guys.
4 rows updated.
Okay, good.
So I'm done with the assignment.
Yeah. And did you do the other assignment? I'm sure you tried at least.
No, I wanted to call Natu yesterday because we were having a joint class with Natu, but Natu didn't call.
Natu was busy solving her own too.
You cannot imagine.
Emerald, that assignment, I don't know. Like question 4, question 8, question 9B. Oh my goodness.
Question 4, question 9.
Okay, so I need a volunteer who at least tried so we can.
Natu.
I need, why are you calling me? Say Natu.
Natu. Natu.
You know when I'm back from work, you're the only person I always call. So just try. I understand when you're doing it. I understand. Thank you.
Share your screen, Natu.
Let me.
Okay, Natu, share your screen then.
Emma, it's not fair.
How is it not fair?
You were supposed to pick, not the class.
Emerald, don't pick that way. That way is not good. The way you just remove people from.
Because no one volunteered. That's why.
No one volunteers.
So see, as there's no volunteer, you guys are saying I should share my screen.
For the next one again, Emerald, pick me. The next one.
Yeah, you could have just started now. Say for the
No,
next
just
one.
finish this. Let's see. When you finish, I will go and back and do it. Then I'll come back and do it. Expo.
Okay, we'll do from question 1 to 4, if not.
Chair, you have to be ready. After this is you.
Yeah, next is Koji. So be ready from 5 to 9.
Emma, I didn't got to that stage.
It's okay.
We'll guide you. Don't worry.
You learned today.
Thank you, Emerald. Thank you.
Put that on there.
Last login May 21st. Natu.
Yeah, because when we work in group, we work with one database. We don't work with our one.
You mean with one server, not the other ones?
Yes.
Oh, there's one right there. Yeah.
Okay. Let's start now. Don't know when I took this question. So.
To create a
database link, right?
If you already have
first
one,
you
can
have
just
to
use the one you have.
first alter demo, right? For you, because you can alter the unlock demo.
Is demo locked?
It's not. I created it with an account unlocked.
But I thought you said, Emerald, I thought you said that it locks after some time.
Yeah, after some time, but I don't think it's been long enough. But just unlock it, just for the sake of it. But I don't think it's locked.
Got it?
No.
Usually don't have to struggle with.
Okay.
Okay. So from ORC using SQL statement, add 500 to all users or employee in them employee tables making less.
So using one SQL statement at $500. Open a different notepad where you'll be entering the SQL statement so that the other ones can see. what you're doing.
I can just pull, right?
No, don't spool because you need to type your SQL statement on your notepad.
Natu, don't spool, just type.
Mero is giving too much. Always giving too much work. Okay.
You have to create your link.
If you have one, you can use the one you already have, but you can create one as well.
Do we have one in? We don't have one in Oracle.
Yeah, you don't have one in ORCL.
We have but in TLSDMO.
Okay.
Yes.
Database link demo.
Yeah.
You connect.
Really, Natu?
Yeah,
Database link demo _ link to connect to.
Connect to demo now.
Oh, okay, sorry.
So what you have created?
Drop the database link first. Well, you can't even drop because you're already.
Yeah, she can drop.
Okay.
Demo _ link.
Demo _ link.
Why do you want me to put link?
Okay, that's
she can
fine.
Give me whatever she wants.
Okay, let me put link, Anita.
Thank you.
See, Anita is too good. Connect to.
ORCL.
I mean, ORCL.
No, TLS demo. You want to connect to TLS demo. That you have to copy your thing and put on the notepad.
I mean, that one you guys are supposed to already know how to do this. Create database link. Okay. Next. Using one SQL statement.
First, you have to select all those employees that are earning less than 5,000.
From employees.
Select all from.
I'm trying to select just to have that table instead of having all the table employees.
Oh, you want to select the name? Select
Yeah. Instead of having the table is too broad.
Select first name, employee _ID, salary.
First _ name and
Salary.
From demo _ link. From actually.
From demo.employees.
Employees.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Demo.employees at database link.
See?
Demo. What did you do? Why did
I wanted to put demo _ link.
You press something.
You put space.
Yeah. No, I didn't put space. I mistakenly pressed enter.
Okay, just enter and see if it'll go.
It's not gonna go.
Cancel.
Okay, just no, just don't. There you go. Do something.
Anita.
No, always wait for Anita to finish now. I don't like when...
Calling.
Anita is like, no.
Where salary? Why did you do that?
Where salary?
Because you just want to select those, because this now is just too broad. Okay, you can do it again.
Copy
So select
again.
all, yeah. Demo underscore link where salary is less than 5,000.
Demo underscore link.
Now, two was the problem.
It's okay. It happens. Where salary less than 5,000.
That's not the, yeah.
That's not okay.
Okay, 98.
Okay.
So there you have them. Now you want to issue this update statement.
Update. Okay.
See, update.
Demo.
Update demo.
Yeah, demo.employees.
Demo.employees.
At demo underscore link. Set salary equals open bracket salary plus 500. Plus 500.
Update demo.employees at demo.set salary equals.
Where salary is less than 5,000. Where salary less 5,000. And you can select Alana and Kevin. Hey, you updated it again. Hold on. Now you can just do that and then minus 500 instead of.
Did you update again? Let me open it.
That's what it says.
Let me see if he added again.
Oh geez, it's not even going to work anymore.
It's plus 1,000 now.
He's showing the same.
Are you updating again?
No, I'm copying the other table, but you see, bringing the same thing. Come on.
So it updated twice.
Let's see if you updated twice.
It did.
But it
we're
did
gonna do minus.
Well, it won't affect all of them now because you know the numbers are different.
Why? It's the same.
Even if you do minus right now, it's not gonna be. I don't know. It's still gonna look at those that are like 5,000, but you less than 5,000. But then if you did the update and then some were turned to be over 5,000, then it's not gonna be valid.
You can just roll back. You can just roll back.
Is it gonna work? I don't think it works. Because we tried
Rollback doesn't
rollback
work.
yesterday, it didn't work.
Rollback. Semicolon. Rollback complete. Now select all. Rollback works. It depends on your undo. Okay, now select. Let's see.
Yeah, I think it's good now. Wait, let's see.
Did it work? Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, it did roll back all the way. It rolled
Yeah,
back.
it rolled back all
websites.
the way. So this is the normal table.
Original, yeah. So you have to
Right.
update it again.
So
Emma, excuse me, please.
yes.
When you issue an update SQL, do you have to commit?
Yes. If you're sure of what you're doing, yeah, you can commit. Not to typo.
Because I'm just wondering why
Just copy from the script.
He likes to type.
That's good.
Because when I type, it stays on in my head.
So after you commit, you can still go back.
Of course not.
What?
If you commit, then you can roll back. Like you made the change permanent. If you want to go back to what you did, you flash back.
Oh, flashback. Flashback, then roll back.
We'll do that though. I think it's chapter 7 or 8.
Okay, 500.
Natu, why don't you do it in your notepad?
Sorry, guys. 500. Yeah, now it works.
The second one is basically the same. The question 2 is basically the same thing.
Give 5% raise to all the employee in the mobile employee table, making more than 9,000.
No, it's gonna be salary plus.
You say what? It's not.
No, it's gonna be salary plus salary times 0.5.
Why are you making salary?
She can do it like that as well.
Really?
She can do
Okay.
it like that as well.
What were you saying, Anita? I didn't get you.
Because you're adding to the salary. Right
Yes.
here, you're just multiplying the salary. I mean, at least that's what I know.
So,
You're just getting the percentage that you want to add to the salary.
but is it not what you're doing?
No, you're adding the salary.
Wait.
There are 2 ways to do it.
Using
One way is like Anita is saying, you can put salary plus salary times, right? And the other way is just salary times 1.05.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Is it 1.05 or 0.
One, because you're adding one is already the salary.
We are not minusing.
So 1.05, that's like 105%. So 100 already goes to the salary that you have, and
exactly. And the 0.5 is 45%, right? So there are two ways to do it.
It should be 1.05.
Yes.
Yes, directly 1.05 or salary plus salary times 0.05.
Okay. Salary.
Okay.
Okay, you see that it's updated. You can do the other way by using 1.05. So there are two ways. Whatever you choose, it's fine. I mean, if you're good with math, you can use the other way. I mean, if you understand a little bit. So it's fine.
Not two, but why did you go this way? They were talking about 1.0.
Did you not see?
I think that's the way she understood that.
Not two.
Yes, sir.
And I think
Also
here
add the other one.
It's better if you leave the first salary out of the brackets. Because if it was like a minus or something else, it will mean something else.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, you know that it would prioritize multiplication over addition.
Multiplication, right? First, yes.
Okay.
I need. I'm sorry, Natsu. Can you put the other one? Just salary times 1.05 as well. Both ways can be used.
Okay.
Actually, we do the other one for question 4, so you can leave it like that. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, question 3.
Create a table special in the schema and add all the employees in each table. Whose last name start with S. Are we still using the database link here?
No.
Now we have to go to GLSDM.
Right. I'm sure Anita did that one, right, Anita?
I did all but question 4 and 8 and 9.
Okay.
9B.
Okay, which 9? There are 2 9.
9B.
9B, the other 9. Emerald, why are you putting 2 9?
I mean, 9B, 9B, we did it 3/4 of the way. It was just one table that we weren't able to do because the structure was different. So
what was it? The OEM?
No, the Scott.emp.
Yeah.
Code.emp, question 9.
Yes.
Yeah, the second 9. Or maybe we didn't do it the right way. But at least what we did was we imported all those tables into the new table that we created.
Okay.
But we're not able to deport the.
Okay. This morning, they had a problem with the first 9. So if you guys did the first 9, that's really good.
Yeah, the first 9 was.
Okay, Anita, give the SQL statement.
Hold on, the first.
Did you guys do it in one SQL statement or in multiple SQL statements?
Which ones? Number
For
9.
the first one.
Well,
Yeah.
you know, the first part, first of all, we checked the first part, but we did it all in one SQL, like you asked.
Okay.
And then the
Okay.
second part was not valid because there was no number that started with 555.
Yes, the first part was
Yes.
statement, but the second part wasn't valid because there are no number that start with 55.
Okay, it's 515 instead.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we saw it, but we didn't want to
tell
guess
me
that
there
you
was
did
an
that.
error in question 4 too. Please tell me, because like we spent like maybe 5 hours.
There is
trying
no
to solve
error in
that.
question 4. No error in question 4. 0 error.
Oh my
And
God.
it's still using one SQL statement.
How about question 8? Because
Question 8, 0 error.
It's the same thing, right? Like if you were able to do question 8, question 4, then you could do question 8. Oh my
Yes,
God.
exactly. If you could do 4, then you could do 8. Definitely.
I knew those were related.
I beg, I need to give the sequence statement. Let me type.
Which one is that? Oh, create table special as select all star, yeah, from HR.employee.
Wait, why am I creating that?
Can he read in?
Wait. Using one SQL statement, move all the employee with. No, that's number 4. Using one SQL statement, create a session. Oh, I have to be connected in demo as demo.
Do you
put
have
set
to?
select?
You don't have to. You don't have to. Oh, oh yeah, you do.
I have to create a table in demo.
Is he able to read HR?
And then I think you can see put demo.station, right? And create a table.
Say what?
You can see use use demo.station. Yeah, create
Yeah, why do you want to do it as they say create in demo, so connect a demo.
No, so if you want to do it in demo, I'm giving another option. You can see use the SQL statement, create table demo.station, and then you continue.
Yeah, but now you're doing it as C, so you're not the user.
Yeah, she has to do it as demo, but she just needs to make sure that demo has a privilege to select from HR.
HR.
Yes, because we did the assignment. Yeah, there's a previous assignment where demo was working with HR, so I think he has that privilege.
Okay. Okay, so create table demo. I mean special. Select all. From HR.employees.
Let's see. Yeah, I think he has it.
Where last name, like, and then open string, capital S, percentage, close string.
Okay. Let's see if he has that privilege.
Very good.
Okay, so how do you check? So you just select all from special, I guess. Yeah, select all from special.
Let me copy it.
Select all from special, and all the last name should start with S. Or you can just select last name from special. That's very good. I'm very proud of you guys. Very good. Good. So it worked. Okay.
Okay, number 4 now.
Emerald, take over.
No, I'm not taking anything over.
So like that question.
Emerald, please take
do
over.
We have to combine
you can
both?
handle it. Come on, you can.
Do we have to
Emerald,
combine the select and the
2
update
days
together?
We did 2 days on that question.
That's the most they should do it.
We use the union or union like dual. Oh
We
my
even use the
gosh,
dual.
You need the dual.
We even use the dual. We use union. We use dual. We use set. We use and we use
Join. Use everything.
we use exactly. We use join. Nothing missing parentheses or I mean.
We had to log into Google.
Even Google was not even answering our question.
That's why I gave you guys the assignment, because you won't find the answer on Google.
See, Emerald, I even took the question. I copied the question and I pasted it.
I even asked you to double check the question.
I opened the question and I pasted it in Oracle. Nothing.
But can I try that question?
Yes, Mama, I'm there. Try it.
Okay, try. Give her the sequence statement.
Create table demo.exit.
You want me to write it in a notepad or let me type it right in?
No, write it in the notepad first.
Okay. So
Create table demo.exit. Exit. There's S after exit. Okay. As select employee underscore ID. Underscore ID. First name. There's a comma. Last name. It's a typo. Email. Phone number.
wow, everything.
Did you
phone
attend this
number.
morning class, Renalda?
Why? Can she not do it?
No, I'm asking. I'm just asking because we did it this morning. But I know that Mary knows.
She didn't attend the morning class. Evening class are intelligent.
Yeah, date.
Date.
Higher date. Higher.
Higher date.
There's a typo. Job ID. Salary. Salary times 0.63. Wait, let me see.
Yeah, that's right. 0.63.
Okay.
Why is it 0.63?
Because you give a 37% reduction, right?
Oh, yeah.
So
okay. Got it.
1 minus 37.
37.
I mean 0.37. Yeah.
Okay. What's salary again? Okay.
No.
It doesn't need
Put
to.
the double string.
Okay, double
quotation.
Salary.
Remove the comma.
Here.
Remove the comma.
Remove the comma and put double quotation salary.
Capital letter.
Yeah. Close. Okay. Commission underscore PCT.
Comma.
There's a comma. Yeah. Commission underscore PCT.
Underscore what?
PCT. It doesn't need to be uppercase. Manager ID.
Okay, we will never have guessed it this way, honestly.
Department ID. My department ID. From HR.employees. HR.employees. Where the job ID. No, where job ID, not there. There's no there. Job ID. Like, open the string. N% VP.
You say ampersand?
Yeah.
Percentage.
No, percentage.
Percentage.
Percentage is not the same as N%, Renata.
Okay. VP. Percentage again, close the string. Or job ID. Like, open the string again, percentage PR.
Wow. VI?
PR.
PR.
Percentage, you close the string. Or again, job ID. Like, open the string, percentage, MGR. Percentage, close the string, semicolon.
Renata, you were in the class in the morning.
Wait. I don't understand this sequence.
I changed my mind.
so, Emron, I have a question.
I'm sure she was. So.
It says the reduction should only be valid for VPs. So how does
I know. So she left before we did the last one. No, I'm joking. I mean, yes, it basically says that give a 37% reduction to all the VPs. So only VPs should have that salary times 0.63, right? So that's why, like you guys did, you need to use union or.
See? Natu, we're almost there.
Almost. You guys were almost there, just that, yeah. So after job underscore ID like VP, you use union or, select all from HR.employees where job and so don't delete what you did, just after VP percentage.
This one, right?
Yeah, after that one, yeah. Use union or. Union or.
Or ALL.
Should I move the or? It doesn't make sense.
No, leave it there. Why are you moving it?
Now select all from HR.employees. Union all, select all. But it's very good, Ronaldo. The thing that Ronaldo gave, it's when you would give the increase for all of them, right? The reduction for all of them. But in this specific case, it's only for one and not for the other. Okay, union all, select all from HR.employees.
I have a question. So if you're
Emma, try to read it so that try to read all the things so I can know where you
union. Yeah, union all. After union all, select all. Select all from HR.employee.
Oh, so those one are not there.
Where you can say
Where
where
job
job.
underscore ID.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
And that's it.
Did you really expect us to find this? At the level that we are right now?
Yeah. Wait, is there anybody in class that had did this?
People had ideas. I mean, you guys had a union all
I did it.
ID.
Same like that.
Okay, he did
The
it.
wizard.
Create table demo dot this and select as select employee underscore.
That's a history. That's a history sequel.
Email, phone number, ID, job ID.
Yes.
Please, I have a concern. I have a concern.
Paragraph.
Commission, manager ID, department ID, HR.employee, where job like.
Am I muted?
No, you're not.
I said I have a concern. No.
Yes. What's your concern?
Yeah, you know, the money people they struggle, like they gave their idea, but now it's like we are just basically reading SQL. Because to tell the truth, I don't even know what one has to even typing.
Okay. Were you in class on last time when we did Union All?
Yes, ma'am.
I explained Union All to you guys in this class.
I know. I'm talking.
So that's why
I'm talking the entire SQL and equation.
What?
No, I'm saying I'm talking about the entire SQL and the equation 4.
Okay.
Yes.
Using one SQL statement, move all the employees with VP, PR, or MR, include in their job ID to a new table called demo exit, and give a 37% salary reduction to all the VP. Using one SQL.
Oh no, that's just you duplicated that sentence. So you have to remove from there.
Move what?
You duplicated as in you copied it twice.
No, remove.
Anyway.
You don't, okay. You.
So it ends where, yeah?
VPs. Yeah.
Full stop here. So where's that one coming from?
I don't know.
I know.
It's the same thing. So.
Sure, it's Anita.
Sure. Put the blame on me. Sure.
Yeah, or Marie. That's why she's not talking.
Wow. So if it was, this is complicated. Oh my gosh. So, but if you were updating, you won't have to go through this whole process. You just go ahead and update the salary. Wow. Run it now, Nato.
She said we should select something first. Where is she even? She was asking to select first. Oh no, she wanted to look at the table or something.
No, she was telling you what to write on your script.
Oh. Is she there?
What do you want to select? Hold on.
I think
you're creating the table.
Yeah, you create a table, demo that exact.
So there's nothing to select.
Yeah, there's nothing to select. Okay, actually she can if you want. You can select the salary, check the salary to see that there is a difference between both.
Just the salary?
Yeah, you can just select the salary from
HR.employee.
HR.employee where job ID like.
Just one is okay or everything?
Yeah, just one.
Then in your SQL, instead of putting demo, you just go ahead and put the table name.
Instead of putting what?
Because you're already connected as demo. So you don't need to create table demo.xs. Exec.
Are you typing it?
No,
she likes to type.
That's how she learns. That's good.
let me see. Try. SQL statement. This is a paragraph.
Okay, table created. Now you want to select all from that table. Can you just select 2 or 3 things because it's like, can you select job underscore ID and its salary? Okay.
Emerald, please, I have a question.
Yes.
So for which I just want a hint for question 9B, right? So are we also supposed to follow this layout to insert?
No, it's different. No, it's different. I'm sure question 9 is different.
Okay.
Maybe question 9. Where's question 9?
Question 9B. The second one.
Oh, actually, question 9 is a very easy SQL statement, actually. You'll be surprised.
Question 9B, the second one.
Yeah, it's actually a very easy SQL statement.
But
is it just one SQL or?
It's just one SQL statement, and then for you to select all the distinct NAS names, right?
Yeah.
It's just one SQL statement. So it's 2 SQL statements for you to have all the last name.
Wait. So for the whole question is one. Is it not 3? Don't you have to import all the employees table to that table?
Yes.
That's what you have to do, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so that's what we did. Like I was saying, we were able to import scott.emp because the columns are not, like it says missing numbers or something.
Okay.
So the numbers of columns does not match the OE table. And
what did you use? Did you use Union?
No.
Union. No.
What did you use?
First, we created and inserted all from HR, and then we inserted all from. You didn't specify in one SQL, so we used 3 SQL.
Yeah, maybe I should have specified 1. It would have been easier for you because you cannot insert because the column names are not the same. So you cannot insert the values from Scott to HR employees.
So Union will allow us to do that?
No. I can give you the answer for that because I send the morning class do it, figure it out.
That question is not good for us.
Anyway, we're doing that. We're going to reach there.
Okay, let's finish question. Actually, we are done with
9 and 10. We're not going to do.
Why? We can do it. If
we're not going to do that now. It's for Wednesday.
We can do it if you have time now.
No,
They have
because
to stop at the same level.
because the morning class didn't do it, and they went to figure it out. So I cannot give you the answer. So that you
But the problem is that we
Emerald, if
did already.
If we did it,
We
and
did
we
it
don't
already, so we
find
just
out.
want to be clarified. So
you guys didn't do it. You guys didn't do it. Otherwise, you would
According
have.
to who, Emerald, who said we didn't do it?
No, really, Emerald, we
Okay, if someone did it, give me the sequence statement. Do it, and I see, and I'll be like, okay, you did it. But I won't
That's
tell
what we
you.
are trying to explain to you.
The
That it didn't
sequence
work.
statement for question 9.
9B.
9B.
9.
And even the first 9 too. Instead of 155, instead of 555 is 515.
Okay, then that one is easy too.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, that one is easy.
We got that. I mean,
you got that one? Okay.
Like we said, we couldn't update it because it was 555. It said no row updated, but then
But we didn't use one sequence statement.
For the first one, we used one,
used
and
one
then the
sequence statement
update
for the first one, and another one for the update.
Okay. Okay. Then
were we supposed to combine the two?
That part, update all the numbers starting with 515 to 777 is not that easy. But now that you have the real number, you'll see that it's not that easy.
Emerald, should I try and you tell me what I'm wrong or not?
For which one?
9A.
I think, which one? 9A or 9B?
9A or 9B.
Okay. That's Mari, right?
No, we now
Let's have the same voice. Okay.
Anyway, I can wait when we are on that.
Okay, we'll get there. It will be Koji would be the one doing it.
Okay.
So question 5.
Okay, question 5.
No, question 9B.
Question 5.
What do you mean 9B? Are we in 9B?
You have to create the user test.
Actually, it's time for the break. We need to take the break.
Bello, don't beat him, please.
Because some of these guys, they just attend class in the morning, then in the evening, they just come to observe.
I'll go do it. I'll go do it. Tell the commander I'll go finish this work this night.
Okay, we'll continue after break.
Okay, 30-minute break. So we come back at 8:27.
Can you let me see something on your notepad?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
We come back at 8:27. See you guys.
Yes, sir.
Let's make it 8:30 now.
Oh, yes, sir.
Nah, so please just send it to the group. Thank you.
8:30.
I'll send it now.